What's up, YouTube? Just wanted to make a quick video on how to remove these pillars from a 2016 Silverado. Went online, saw a couple of videos, but they weren't helpful at all. So let me just show you guys real quick. First one is the driver's side. You just pull out this way. Once you get your fingers in here, just pull out. It only has one clip. I'll show you guys right now. Here's that one clip that it has. Then the other side, you just take out the caps, unscrew it, and it also has one clip. So you take it out the same way. Then once you get to the top part of the dash, you get one of these little pry tools. Buy it on eBay, Amazon, a couple bucks. You pull up from this vent. Once you get some clearance, you just put this in here and start popping out all these little clips. There's like probably like 10 of them across the dash, as you can see. I'll show you this one because this one was the hardest, the one on top of the speaker. All you have to do is get it from the corner, put your little pry tool at the corner and just pull this clip out. Then it becomes easy. Once you have all the clips off, all you have to do is take that connection off. That's it. There's only one connection, and then you have access to upgrade the tweeters on the dash. Alright, if you guys like this video, make sure you press like. Have any comments, go ahead and ask any questions. Thanks a lot, man. Peace.